In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark II, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and click on System and go to the Advanced Features. Then go to Reset Options, and now you will notice Reset Network Settings at the top of the list, so just click on it. And if you really want to reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, just tap on Reset Settings. And then confirm that you would like to perform this operation by tapping on Reset Settings. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.